Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can install and use ElevenLabs MCP, okay, inside of Windows or inside of Mac, okay. This is going to work for both, but I'm going to focus mostly on Windows, okay, which is what I have. ElevenLabs MCP is actually a great tool that is going to allow you to create your own AI agents, okay, and to use basically the ElevenLabs functionalities, which are basically like text to speech, okay. So for example, you can make calls with a prompt, okay, so you can prompt your AI tool or your large language model to actually make a call for you to a certain number and to follow a certain script, which is amazing. This is, for example, not going to work for ChatGPT or anything like that. You actually need Claude for it to actually run, okay, because you need to run it locally, okay. So this is only going to work for Claude. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to Google and you need to search for cloud download and you need to access the first result and just download this file for your operating system, depending on if it's Mac, Windows. Windows is this one actually, and then you also have Mac. Okay, so just download this file and install it. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to just run it, and it's gonna ask you to actually sign in and all of that. But yeah, that's something that is basically very easy. Okay, so make sure that you actually download and install Cloud first. Now, the second thing that you need to do is we need to go to Google again and we need to type ElevenLabs MCP. And we need to go to this first result, which is the GitHub repository, the official ElevenLabs MCP server, okay, which should be one of the first results, okay? So I just want to have this page open until we do the next of the steps, okay? Now, in order to actually install this, you need to have Python installed in your computer, okay? And for that, if you're using, Mac, it's already going to be installed by default and just going to have to open the terminal and type a certain command. But if not, I'm going to show you how to install it in Windows. Okay, so just go to the Microsoft Store here, and I want you to actually look for, Python on the Microsoft Store, and I want you to install whatever version you want. Okay, 3.13 is the latest one, so that's what I have. But you can also do maybe like a more stable version like 3.9, 3.11, things like that. Okay, I actually just went to 3.13. Okay, now once you installed your Python, program, by the way, let us know if you actually need more details on this. Just go to your terminal, okay, on Windows, which you're gonna open by going to search and by doing CMD, okay, and you're gonna open your command prompt. Good. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to basically copy paste this command here, okay, after you install Python, okay, you have to install Python first of all, okay, so just type pipe3 install ElevenLabs MCP and click on enter. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I have already done it, but yeah, just type in this command and run it. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to get your API keys from ElevenLabs. Okay, so let's just Google ElevenLabs. Let's go to the first result. Let's go to the app, and then you want to go to your profile, to your icon profile here, and you want to go to either profile or API keys. So you can go to profile and then to API keys, or just to API keys directly. Up to you completely. And then you're going to create a new API key, and you're going to copy paste it. Okay, and you're gonna save it somewhere safe, okay, in like a document or like somewhere safe, okay. Just save it because you are gonna need this for later. You can always create a new one, of course, but yeah, it's better to just use one and just save it, okay. So yeah, just create a new one and copy paste it. This is a very important step. I want you to go to the command prompt, to the terminal again, and I want you to type this command here. So you're gonna basically type python3 /m ElevenLabs _ MCP API key, and then the API key that you just copy pasted, okay, that you just copied here, okay, which in my case is this one. I don't care. I mean, this should be private, okay. Do not ever share this with anyone, but I don't care because this is like a test account, which I'm not gonna use. But yeah, never share this with anyone, okay. This is your private key, all right. So yeah, just copy this command and then follow it with your API key, okay. It's very important. And after you successfully do this, after you click enter, you're gonna have this warning here that is successfully write the config to this file, which is great. And I'm not very sure about this actually, but I'm almost positive that you need to do this every time you want to use your ElevenLab MCP. Okay, so every time you want to use Cloud with this MCP, you're gonna have to do this step, okay, of writing this command and running it. Okay, I'm almost positive, but I'm not completely sure. Which, by the way, means that you're gonna have to keep this terminal open when you're using your Cloud, okay? So keep that in mind, okay? Keep this terminal open when you use Cloud, okay? Do not exit it. Now, after you have done this and you have your command in the terminal running on, you have to go back to the GitHub page that I gave you, okay? This one here. And now, this is very important, actually. You have to copy this snippet of code here, okay, just copy it by using this button. Now, I want you to go to basically to your Clock desktop app, which is this one here. And if you're using Windows, you're gonna have to enable your developer mode, which is gonna be here. You're gonna go to help, and there's gonna be a button here that says, enable developer mode. So you're just gonna click on it. And now, after you do this, just come here to actually settings, which should be in file, okay? And I want you to go to developer, and I want you to go to edit config, okay? So you're just gonna press here, and you are gonna open the file that is highlighted, okay? Which is gonna be this one basically, okay? Cool. Now, remember the snippet of code that we actually copied? We're gonna paste it now. We're actually gonna erase this, and we're gonna paste the snippet of code that we actually copied before, okay? And now we're gonna insert our API key here, okay? Which is gonna be the one that I show you how to put in the terminal. Paste it here and just save your file, okay? Just save it. That should be pretty much it. And now you can start using your agent, okay? Now the last step that I want to show you, and this kind of extra, but it's going to be necessary if you want to use the AI agent to its fullest potential, is that it's necessary for you to have a phone number attached to, ElevenLabs, okay? Because this is how it's going to work, okay? You're going to make a phone call from your phone number, which is going to be connected to ElevenLabs. And then that phone number is going to call someone else, and it's going to use an AI voice to kind of simulate the call, okay? So just go to ElevenLabs here, go to conversational AI, and then you want to click on phone numbers, and then you want to basically import a phone number, okay? And the problem with this is that this is not going to be free because you have to do it from Twilio, okay, which is a platform that is going to allow you to have like an online phone number. So yeah, this is kind of extra, and it's not free. It's going to cost you money. So I'm just saying, okay? And after that's done, you're going to be able to readily use it, okay, by just typing your prompt here, okay? So we can say, for example, acting or create an AI agent that calls this number, okay? And you're gonna paste here the number that you actually wanna call, not this one here, but the one that you actually wanna call to. Orders, for example, a margarita pizza to this direction, okay? And you're gonna paste your address. So this is pretty much what we can do, but this is just a quick tutorial on how to set it up. Okay, thank you so much, guys.